In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the author biography in WordPress. This is an updated guide and we'll walk through this process step by step. Whether you are setting up a new site or updating an existing one, knowing how to showcase authors effectively is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com. This is your starting point for accessing your site's administrative area. Once you're there, find the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will prompt the login window to appear. If you've already logged in previously and have an active session, you might be taken directly to your dashboard. If not, you'll need to proceed to the next step. Next, use the option Continue with Google. This is a convenient method, especially if you use your Google account for managing multiple platforms, as it saves time and reduces the hassle of remembering additional passwords. The website will request your Google credentials, so choose your account from the options provided. If it's not listed, you'll need to manually input your email and password associated with the account you use for WordPress. Upon successfully logging in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. On the right panel of this page, look for quick links and under it you'll find an option titled Edit Site. Go ahead and click on Edit Site. This action will take you to the WordPress editor, where you can make changes to the content and design of your site. Once you are in the editor, your next move is to locate the control panel for adding blocks. Look towards the top left of the page for a button labeled Add. Clicking this will open up a range of blocks you can use to enhance your site's content. WordPress operates on a block-based system, making it flexible to add various elements such as text, images, or widgets through these blocks. Now type in author biography in the search bar provided. This action helps streamline the process by displaying relevant options directly. The feature is designed to save time and effort when searching for specific tools or elements you wish to add to your page. The search should return the result fairly quickly. With the search complete, locate the option labeled author biography. When you see it, click on it. This will integrate the author biography block into your page, allowing you to add information about the author that you want to share with your readers. By doing so, you provide your visitors with context about the content creator, which can help build credibility and engagement with your audience. And there you have it, the complete process for adding an author biography in WordPress. This feature not only offers insight and background about the writers on your site, but it also enhances the overall professionalism and appeal of your presentation. Thank you for joining me today, and happy blogging in WordPress.